It's an all-new season of Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut with your girl Sounds of Shar'e. We're cooking it up in the kitchen with my co-host, my mom, Gail, with The Gabby Gail Show. We're featuring some of the dopest chefs, restaurants, and food trucks voted by you. Starting with Taste Buds Indie LLC. Are you ready? This special segment will air December 13th at 7 p.m. on YouTube under The Gabby Gail Show and Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut.
Hey everybody out there, I am here in the beautiful windy city of Indianapolis. It's your girl, Sounds of Shar'e. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Super excited. We have a special holiday cooking segment featuring one of the dopest trucks in Indy, voted all by you. And I'm here live on set with one of the customers who loves, he said,
Taco, chicken taco.
Everything.
It is very super, very delicious.
All right. And today,
And very clean.
I know that's right. Yes, safe serve, certified. Make sure you all stay tuned. Super excited. Today, I'll be trying it for the first time. I chose chicken nachos, fully loaded. Wait till you guys see what we have coming up. Stay tuned.